The dressing you've made for the noodle, that's a double thumbs up, that.
Double thumbs up. Hello everybody, this is Myung. Hope you're all well. Last week I made a spinach dish, but this week I've got Pak Choy in my veggie box. Because it's green, my hobby isn't keen, so my challenge is to see if I can make it more appealing to him. Pak Choy contains folate. Folate plays a role in the production and repair of DNA. It might help prevent cancer cells from forming due to mutation in the DNA. Pak Choy also contains vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene. These nutrients have powerful antioxidant properties that help protect the cells from damage by free radicals. Pak Choy contains selenium, which helps to detoxify some cancer-causing compounds in the body. Selenium also prevents inflammation and decreases tumor growth rates. And it also has protein, thiamine, phosphorus, niacin, vitamin K, calcium, iron, manganese, magnesium, and blah blah blah. It's so healthy. So let's dig in. Ready, steady, cook. Today I'm orange team. I've got today Pak Choy's, really fresh ones. So I decided to make rice noodle with the Pak Choy's. So I soaked these noodles here. You can reduce the cooking time. And I've got also mushroom and onions, so I'm going to cook this together with liquid amino oils and coconut oils. I will add also balsamic vinegar in there, so it tastes really good. And when you fry it like that, you can add into sandwiches or burger or salad, or even you can mix with lentils. It tastes really good. Everybody loves it. I have to cook separately because then it has individual flavors in it, so it tastes better. Instead of sprinkle this cashew nuts, I will make a sauce. I really like this cashew nut and the nutritional yeast, or you can use this lemon instead of nutritional yeast. Coconut milk and this rice noodle goes really well. So that's it, very simple. And I will make a dressing for Pak Choy. Grate garlic, add liquid amino oils and sesame seed oil and coriander. If you like, you can add chili, but I will use sriracha because my husband can't eat that spicy one. So I will put sriracha in it. I will make a dressing first. So grate garlic. I always use grate garlic because when it's grated, this allicin comes out. Try to use garlic raw as possible, but if you chew this piece of garlic, garlic smell will stay in your mouth, but when you grate very fine, then it doesn't stay in your mouth, so you can be sociable. And at the moment we have to have a social distance, but nevertheless you can be sociable and you can have a health benefit. When you use this garlic grater, don't do around the circling. You have to do this way. 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil. And this is coriander. I love coriander, or I love all kinds of herbs. But some people don't like it because of the strong aroma. That's why you have to chop it very fine. Then it doesn't dominate this flavor, but it gives nice flavor. I love this aroma. We mix with the garlic first, and then add this chopped coriander. Slice this ginger into julienne. Now slice onion. You don't need to slice very fine because it's going to cook. So when I fry, I slice a bit thicker. If it's a little bit bigger, you can have a nice crunchy texture. I don't wash mushrooms, but just quickly check it if there is any soil or not. And this part here, I just cut it off like that. Yeah, this looks fine. So slice this. I will add ginger as well. Chopping is all done, so let's cook it. So cook onion first. This is about a tablespoon coconut oil. Onion is slightly transparent, then add mushrooms. 2 tablespoons liquid aminos. 1. Add mushrooms. If you are going to use for burger or sandwiches, you can add some dried herbs. But I don't do today because I'm going to use in the noodles. Liquid aminos all evaporated, so I will add balsamic vinegar now. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar makes this onion and mushroom a bit sweeter. So almost done, and I will add this ginger. Onion and mushroom and ginger is done. So I'm going to make a dressing for the noodle. So this is a soaked cashew nut. So almost 1 cup of cashew nuts, 200 milliliter coconut milk, pinch of sea salt, and the lemon juice. Okay, blend it. I will also add some ginger. So I have nutritional yeast, so I will add some, 2 tablespoons. This has a tangy flavor, so it's really nice. Sauce is done for noodle. Let's cook noodle and pak choy now. I will quickly blanch this pak choy and then I will fry it. But I will not use lots of water. Mainly this stem need to be cooked more because this will take longer to cook. So these are very small, so I will take it out. So I will use this water to cook noodle. So I need more water. I will fry this pak choy with coconut oil. Some liquid amino acid. This is more like done, so I will make a noodle, and then in the end I will add this dressing I made earlier. I will add in there before I put everything together. Add the noodle. It's almost cooked. So I'm adding this dressing. I'm adding mushroom and onion. If it's to cook too long, it will be stuck on the bottom. So noodle is done. I'm adding the sauce. So, buon appetito. This
Thank
is
you.
rice noodle with the pak choy, as you see.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So hope you like it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Noodle is a bit stuffed.
Yeah, rice noodle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Noodle tastes really good.
Yeah, that noodle is lovely.
Yeah. I really like it. Very creamy
Mm-hmm.
and slightly tangy from lemon.
Mm.
Mine is slightly spicy as well because of this sriracha.
Mm-hmm. That's a lovely dressing you've put on that, on
Yeah.
the noodles.
Yeah. Very good, eh?
Mm. Coconut, cashew nut. That's fabulous.
I love it.
That pak choy is not bad either.
Yeah. The dressing is nice, huh? Quite crunchy as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, as you know, the all green vegetables are very, very healthy. But
Yeah.
especially this Pak Choy has a folate, and this one has specially repair of DNA.
Mm.
So it might prevent cancer cells. Tastes good. I mean, for me, it's lovely and very healthy as well.
Mm.
I didn't know Pak Choy is that healthy before.
Me neither.
No.
But you've always been a big fan of green vegetables.
Yeah, I do, yeah.
I like some, but as you know, I'm not keen on spinach or chard. I'm not normally keen on Pak Choy either, but this is nice.
Because of your pickiness, I learned
Mm.
my skill. The cooking skill is getting
Mm.
better and better and improved over the years.
That's very good.
Mm.
The dressing on that noodle is absolutely wonderful. Really nice with the onion as well. And it's light, even though it's got coconut milk in it.
Yeah.
It tastes light.
Yeah, coconut milk is good milk, so nothing like cow's milk. So
Yes, I think that, particularly for the noodle, the dressing you've made for the noodle, that's a double thumbs up. That I
double
think.
thumbs up. Ooh,
Very good.
thank you.
So 1,
1,
2.
2. Thank you. Hope you enjoy my recipe and thanks for watching. Be healthy and happy. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Be healthy and happy. See you next time. Bye.